RubberForm's next generation 4-inch pipe and hose ramp is the ideal solution for waterline restoration and for accessing hydrants across a busy street. Unlike our competitors that have a cheap plastic flimsy lid on top, our solution completely covers the pipe and you'll have no risk of these ever opening up, exposing your pipe or hose on the job site. Our new 2-piece design makes for a faster installation. Simply connect and bolt the pieces together. A new feature is that each ramp now interlocks for a secure continuous run. Here at RubberForm, we are always innovating and listening to all comments from our customers on how to improve all of our solutions. Our 4-inch pipe and hose ramp is a great example of that. Our previous model was a 3-piece set with 2 ramps sliding into an interconnect to create the channel on top, exposing the pipe or hose. Our new model now completely covers it, as well as making it wider to have a smoother transition for lower clearing vehicles while maintaining that same durability that you trust with RubberForm to allow larger construction vehicles to transition over as well.
If your facility has tanks, totes, or drums containing anything like hydraulic oil, fuel oil, anything from water, beer, or chemicals, federal spill prevention regulations require that you have a containment area that contains at least 10% of the capacity of all containers in the building, or 110% of the capacity of the largest container, whichever is greater. Failure to comply with these regulations can mean trouble in terms of excessive fines, interruption of business, and just taking care of your neighbors and your workers and the environment is just the right thing to do. So conventional and outdated spill containment methods include cinder block or poured concrete, which is very expensive, and those solutions can chip, crack, and break and leak over time. Also, metal angle iron is used at times, and that can rust, corrode, and dent over time, and then you've got spills. RubberForm spill containment berms are made in the USA with 100% post-industrial TPV, which is a rubberized composite material. Our berms are available in heights of 2, 4, 6, or 8 inches, and we custom fabricate your containment solution by linking sections together to create any length, shape, or configuration you need. Drive-over berms are also available, and they can be used in conjunction with our standard berms. You simply provide the layout or the dimensions of your containment area that you need, and we supply the pre-cut sections of berm, pre-drilled with holes to mount to the floor, and all the adhesive sealant you'll need for a complete sealed solution. Installation is easy. We even provide you with a drawing with pre-numbered sections of your containment solution to make installation easy, fast, accurate, hassle-free. It's a turnkey solution. RubberForm spill containment berms are much cheaper and easier to install than something like poured concrete, which is one of the traditional methods of installing spill containment berms. The main tools you'll need are going to be tape measure, a caulk gun, and a drill, and just wrenches to install the bolts. RubberForm spill containment solutions are 100% American made. You measure, we design and fabricate, and you install. It's that easy.
Introducing RubberForm's next generation parking lot wheel stop. Our wheel stops are made from 100% recycled plastic composite. No imitation rubber, it's great for the environment, great for parking lots, schools, you name it. Plus, they come with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. Our high visibility snap-in polygons that go into our wheel stops are super easy to install, come in 5 different colors. It's as easy as that. We have 2 ways to install our parking lot wheel stops: 14-inch forged spikes for asphalt, plastic lag shields, and lag bolts for concrete. The best part about our parking lot wheel stops is they're lightweight, easy to move around. The hardest part is pre-drilling for your spikes or concrete anchors.
The RubberForm Trackout Control Mat is going to be different than any other manufactured mat on the market. The reason being is every other manufactured mat that you'll see on the market is going to be a plastic sheet or a panel plate style type mat that is going to require hardware kits, brackets, anchors, and a special accessory to maintain them. Whereas a RubberForm Trackout Control Mat, as you can see, there's no bottom to it. So when you lift up our mat to lay it out, you won't need to bolt it down, use brackets to connect one to another. You can go one in front of the other, side by side, and it's fully maintainable as well. Replacement parts, blocks, cables, all able to be pieced back together should anything happen to it. And the other nice feature of ours is it's never going to cake up or clog up on you. It's never going to get covered like a plastic sheet will. A lot of times our customers will come to us because they're sick of maintaining a plastic sheet, whereas with ours, lift it up, lay it down to install, lift it up, lay it down to maintain it. 3 reasons why stone construction entrances and exits are a pain. 1, they're guaranteed to take forever to install. 2, they're guaranteed to be a nightmare to maintain, might even have to add more stone. And 3, you're guaranteed to have a mess to clean up at the end of every single job. And that's why one of our most commonly ordered solutions is our Trackout Control Mat. No calling 811, no hardware kits, no anchors, no brackets, no special accessories to clean. No getting clogged up, no getting caked up or covered up with stone or other debris. And the best part, it only takes 30 seconds to install. Everything that we manufacture is going to be made from recycled materials. Everything that we source is recycled material from the United States, manufactured in the United States. So that means that we're going to be clearing up our own backyard using materials that may have just been thrown away. People think they may not have another purpose. RubberForm is always finding new ways to use recycled materials found in the United States to manufacture what you see here today. Our solutions don't have any toxic materials that's built into it. A lot of binders that competitors will use do have some toxic materials in them. RubberForm, everything that we manufacture, everything that we source is recycled, clean, and safe to use on your job site.
If your business does curbside pickup, restaurant, grocery store, or anything in between, RubberForm's portable sign bases are the last sign bases you'll ever need. These are made from 100% recycled tires, and each sign base weighs 75 pounds. They can easily be deployed to your parking lot just by simply tipping it over and rolling it to its next location. If you're in a high wind area or using a signpost higher than 5 feet, RubberForm has you covered. We have an additional base weight that keeps your signage upright and in front of your customers. The best part of RubberForm's portable sign bases is how easy they are to deploy. Just take the metal post, put it in the square hole, rock it, deploy it. Once in place, now comes the signage.
Put your washer on the back, put your bolt on the back, tighten it up, and you're good to go.
Find out more why RubberForm's portable sign bases are the only choice for you.